Is your laptop showing Wi-Fi connected? But yeah, no internet at all. Don't worry. This is actually a super common problem. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple fixes step by step so you can get back online fast. First thing, restart both your laptop and your Wi-Fi router. I know it sounds basic, but honestly, this fixes a lot of connection glitches. Next, remove the saved network and reconnect again. Sometimes saved settings get corrupted. So yeah, reconnecting refreshes everything. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and run the Network Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically check common problems. Okay, if it's still not working, we'll reset network settings using Command Prompt. Just open Command Prompt as administrator and type these commands one by one. Next, change your DNS server to Google DNS. This often fixes internet detection issues, especially after updates. If nothing works, perform a full network reset. This reinstalls all network adapters and usually solves stubborn connection bugs. And that's it. One of these steps should get your internet working again. If this helped, save the video so you can come back later. And yeah, stay connected.